Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can create a debit note on TranZact. To create a debit note, you need to know the invoice for which you are creating the debit note. For that, let's go to the All Documents module. You can create a debit note against a sales invoice or a purchase invoice. Let's take an example of sales invoice. Select the document type as sales invoice. You can search the invoice through invoice number or by a counterparty. I have taken example of Merck Demo Buyer. Now click on the document number. The invoice is open. Go to Other Actions. Select Debit Note. Now enter the relevant details. Most of the details have been fetched through invoice. Enter the payment date. In my example, there had been 2 items in the invoice. You can select either one or you can select both. I'm selecting one. Enter the quantity against which you have to create the debit note. Enter the relevant details and save and send. Now you can confirm the information and click on yes. It also asks you to send the document to your counterparty through WhatsApp. Your debit note has been generated against the sales invoice. You can view the same on the transaction timeline. Similarly, you can create a debit note against a purchase invoice. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.